is Warcry Starter Set. Skirmish combat in the mortal realms. What the fuck? I don't know. What I know is this is going out now. Buy it while you can, because damn, this is legit. You get all the good stuff in it, all the terrain, all the nice minis, and I can't stop fiddling with this plastic. Come on, come on, come on. You got the iron golems, you got the untamed beasts, you got yeah, you can read on the label here. Everything, everything, everything. Alright, Warhammer, where are we at? What's in the box? First of all and foremost, I think this is the biggest box I ever had from them. It is. Let's see. It's bigger than the forest. The forest draws in comparison. Let's open it, bad boy. Come on, baby. Holy shit. Smack packed with a lot of goodies. Look at this. You have miniatures. You have terrain. You have... Oh yeah, look at this. I really like... I'm going to enjoy putting together. You get your warband, or what you want to call it, and you get your amazing terrain here. Holy moly! It is jam-packed with stuff here, and look at the details. Look at them. You're going to just immerse yourself with good stuff. Oh my god! Ooh, I can see a really cool callback to the giant sets, where you have these ones. Yes, I really like them when they are making bits from the terrain, callbacks to terrain they have already built, callback to all old miniatures, and just bring it anew. It's really cool. A lot of kind of duplicate, but you can do stuff with it. And look at this. Look at this. There is the piece. It's so cool. It's a big monument that's toppled over, and you can have a field day of it. And buy yourself a little frame, because this is going on the walls. It is just awesome art. I really like the art. I don't know who made the art, and I feel kind of stupid that I can't say the name, but whoever did this art, you rock. You rule. You are awesome. A lot of content, a lot of boards, punch out stuff, and yeah, this is just see here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spruce jacked up with terrain. This alone, never mind anything else, never mind the game, never mind anything else, just for this, buy it. And then on top of it, you got this awesome miniatures. It's going to be real fun putting them together, and I'm going to do that, and yeah, play games. All right, thank you all for watching this rapid review on what's in the box. More in-depth stuff maybe coming. I can't promise you that. I'm going to build it up, and you can see it in a video somewhere over the rainbow. I don't know. Just a little flip through the rule book, because you know we have to. Good smell, thick paper, kinda half matte, half shiny, and trying to figure out who painted the art on it, but yeah, I can't see it. But whoa, look at all this. The 8 points, Call of the Ever-Chosen, the Killing Grounds. Really nice maps. I really like the maps. A little background story about the tribal thingies. Oh man, look at this, look at this, look at this. It's so cool. I'm just going to flip like fast through this, and in fact I'm not going to show you everything, but this, oh, look at all these campaigns, nice, really like that. And runes you can use and paint and stuff. Twisted card table, flashy decors. Here you can make your own from things you have in your collection. Nice, I really like that edition. All right, so just a little super quick thing, and this is what's in the box. So there you have it. All right. And a rule summary, really nice. Games Workshop, Warhammer, you did it. But where is my 4 pages rules? I'm just kidding, but damn, this is thick. It is 160 pages of goodies to read. All right. Have you bought Warcry? Comments below. Subscribe and like my shit. Bye now. Whoa!